So hopefully a very quick and easy tutorial to follow to help stop receiving spam on your website. We're going to do it on one of our own websites here. First of all, we'll just go to the contact page and you'll see that you've got the normal contact options and then a contact form. This is usually where the spam originates. So you'll probably get a lot of inquiries through the form which are spurious or spam. And the easiest way to enable this or to disable spam is to use Google's reCAPTCHA. So I'm going to add a new website here. I'll just copy the domain name, put that into spam's reCAPTCHA's page. I'm going to use reCAPTCHA version 2. I'm going to say which domain do I want this for. I want it for website design Tenerife.net. Set my terms of service and register. And then I'm going to get a couple of keys. You'll see here a site key and a secret key. So if we go to the website's control panel, to go to the extensions and then plugins, search for CAPTCHA. And you'll see there it's disabled. And it's asking for the site key and the secret key. And like that, make sure I don't get any spaces in it. Copy, put the site key in, and then put the secret key in. Copy, and enable that. Save and close. Okay, so now CAPTCHA is enabled. What I need to do now is enable CAPTCHA on the website itself through the configuration. So we'll go to global configuration. And you'll see here on the first page on the site settings it says default CAPTCHA none. So we're going to enable reCAPTCHA. Save and close. We'll go back to the contact page and refresh. You see there we've got the contact form, so I'm going to open that up again. And there we have the CAPTCHA enabled. And that's it, it's that simple. Now anytime anyone fills out this form, they're going to have to fill out the CAPTCHA. In most cases it'll just be a tick and then send email. But if Google sees that the connection is from a foreign IP address or an IP address it doesn't recognise, then they'll get little pictures and things to authorise before they can send the mail. Hopefully that helps. If you need any help with this, just get in touch.